Hey, what's going on, everybody? Welcome in. We have invaded Orlando, traveling beasts, and I want to show you guys what we're all about.
Part of your journey is really understanding that you're creating chapters of your life.
I'm going to show you how I buy properties, how I sell them, and the gems that I keep, okay?
I have met tons of people that are making millions.
I'm learning so much here. I've gotten a lot of value. Jermaine Steele's my coach, and he keeps raising the bar.
So within the next 90 days, I want to hit 50K in revenue.
Really, the coaching aspect of it was really big. Also, Shopify was huge because we're about to set up this store, take it to the next level. So, shout out to Jermaine Steele, Traveling Beast. Peace.